Hi everyone. There is a book which I have started to read, and this thing can grow actually. And when I was reading this book, I just have started this book reading, and I have noticed one thing which is very important for everyone. And I think this book is not for successful men. It's everybody. Everybody should read this book because I think it's told you, and it's tell the way of living. How will you live the way? How can you your point, your goal? That I think this book is one of the best book to be figuring out what we can in our future life. So there's thing one point which I have really liked it. Let me share this point: 6 ways to turn your desire into riches. Yeah, if you can say that you want to do something in your life, you have to get it at that one. There is a first point here. The method by which desire of riches can be transmuted into a financial equivalent consistent of definite practical step. That is important for everybody. That there is a sixth step. Who will take this step? Most of the time, most of the things he will succeed, and at any cost. So the first, fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. It is not sufficient manner to say that I want to plant your money. Fix money that you want to achieve. Whatever you want to achieve, just fix it, and you just draw out that particular you want to achieve, and be definite about the amount and the psychological reason for such a definite explanation in subsequent chapter. That's why. And second one point is that determine exactly what you intend to give in return. Exactly, that point is also tells you, okay, what you want to give in return, because lots of people wants to success, but they don't want to give any other things, because you just have to give in return. You cannot say that I want to this at any cost. But if you're not losing something to achieving that subject, that you're just saying, you're not doing, and you're not actioning upon that. So that is the thing here. Determine exact amount you intend to give in return for the money you desire. There is no such reality as something for nothing. There is no such reality as something for nothing. Here is a very strong point. And third one is that establish a definite date when you intend to possess the money you desire. The date you want to acquire the success, you want to achieve that goal, you want to decided to draw. Have told that you draw out a date, fix one date that you want to achieve. At least written that date that you can say, okay, I will be achieve this goal till that time. So here's the point said to this. And fourth point here, definite plan for carrying out your desire and begin at once, whether you are ready or not. Put this plan into action. Means that okay, whatever you decided, to put it out and carry out and make a plan how you will achieve success. That formula you have to write down on a page. And the 5 point is that write it down the all things and write a concise statement of this amount of money and intend to acquire, name and fame, limit of acquisition, state, and if you intend to give in returns of money, and describe clearly the plan through which you will accumulate it. And the 6th point, yeah, this is a strong point also is here, that what you want to accumulate, that write it down very concisely, that you can revise every day. This point is tells about the same things. Read your written statement about loud daily. Read it once just before retiring at high. Read your statement aloud twice daily. Read it once just before retiring at night, and read it once after rising it the morning. As you read this, believe yourself, you have already possession, then you will feel like, yes, you will feel that you're going a particular way that can supposed to be gonna do something achieve. That's I think this is a strong point to be achieving something in your life. It can be whether anything, whether you are feel anywhere you are, just if you follow this 6 step, I think the success in your feet. That's my point of view, and I'll try. And I'm trying to understand this book. So I started to be reading this book, and if I will get something strong points that I will share in front of you.